evening to all of us here. First of all, we would like to thank all our playwrights, directors, actors, everyone from the theater community, and our friends from the media for joining us this afternoon. The Cultural Center of the Philippines is immensely proud to be the home of Virgin Love Fest, the country's premier theater festival of a tried, untested, and unstage one-off plays since 2005. This year, VLF turns 21 and finally comes of age. Bearing the theme Hubot Hubad, it brilliantly captures the maturity and artistry expected at 21 while continuing to harness the magic of theater and the arts. VLF 21 Hubot Hubad showcases how people bear and reveal themselves in their own ways. In a few moments, you'll be the first to witness two excerpts from this year's plays, Human Rights of the Year and Elegia. These works are from Virgin playwright Elijah Feliz Rosales and returning playwright Dustin Celestino, with a cameo from our very own artistic director, Dennis Marasigan. Along with their fellow playwrights, they serve as testament to what Virgin Love Fest has blossomed into. A talented community of individuals devoted to nourishing our nation's cultural tapestry, and to everyone working behind the scenes and on stage, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. We would also like to thank our friends from the press for the stories you have told, posted, published, and printed about Philippine theater. You are the bridge between the stories expressed on stage and the audiences who are yet to discover them. To our festival directors, Tony Go Yadaw and Marco Viana, the playwrights, directors, actors, stage managers, and every hand and mind involved in mounting the 3 revised plays, revisited plays, and 12 Virgin scripts from our 8 Virgin playwrights and 4 returnees. May you continue to uphold your truth. May Virgin Love Fest 21 ignite your commitment and passion for Philippine arts and culture. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Philippine Theater, mabuhay ang sining at kulturang Pilipino.
Thank you very much, President Kate. Ngayon po, ating palakpakan ang mga